Hi creative friends, it's Jane from Sustaining My Craft Habit. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upcycle a simple jar into a pretty beachy photo display. Welcome back to our channel. So here on Sustain My Craft Habit, my sister Sonia and I share nature-inspired DIY and craft and decor ideas each week, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Last week we showed you how to make a simple wreath with seashells. And this week we're continuing the beachy theme and showing you how you can make a really pretty photo display using an upcycled pickle jar of all things. I know that it's the middle of the winter, but this photo jar is a great way to remember those warm days of summer on the beach, or if you're lucky enough to be able to take a trip on a tropical destination, you can use this type of display to show off some of those memories of that vacation. So let's get started.
For this project, you'll need some faux greenery, an optional vinyl cutout, some seashells and rope, a photo of your choice, sand, and of course, a large glass jar. We used our Cricut Maker machine to cut out this phrase, "All you need is love and the beach," from white removable vinyl. And we're going to be attaching that to our beachy photo display. However, you don't need to include that if you don't have a Cricut Maker. If you are interested in cutting your own, then be sure to stop by sustainmycrafthabit.com, where we have a link to the image file in Design Space. After cutting out the phrase and teasing the excess vinyl, we use some transfer tape to transfer the phrase onto the bottom portion of the glass jar. The sky's the limit with these phrases. So for example, if this is a vacation photo jar, you could add on here the date and place of your vacation. Once your vinyl phrase is in place, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, fill the jar about 1/4 of the way full with sand. I actually collected this sand off of our beach in the summer and then baked it in the oven to dry it out and make sure there were no little friends in there. Next, place your photo in the jar, pushing it gently into the sand a bit to hold it upright. If your picture is too large, you may need to cut it down to size. Now add in some of the faux greenery. Next, place some pretty seashells around the photo on top of the sand in the jar. Small hands or tweezers would help with placing the pieces where you want them to be. Tuck in a little bit more faux greenery in the front as needed. Finally, tie some rope or a bit of twine around the neck of the jar just as a bit of embellishment.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this beachy craft idea, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more nature-inspired DIY, craft, and home decor ideas. Stay warm, friends. Bye!